Staying cool in a heat wave, soaring temperature makes daily life uncomfortable but also pose a serious threat to human health and the environment. Here is our guide to getting through one. The oppressive temperature of a heat wave can have far reaching impacts, from risk to human health to destroying crops and increasing the risk of wildfire. In 2019, extreme heat is estimated to have caused the death of 350,000 people worldwide, according to one set of estimates, making it one of the most dangerous yet overlooked natural hazards. While there is still a great deal of uncertainty about toll that heat waves take, the World Health Organization estimates 166,000 people died between 1998 to 2017. By comparison, there is little doubt that the number of people exposed to heat waves around the world is increasing, and climate change is only likely to make heat waves more frequent and intense in the future. The heat dome that caused a record heat wave in summer of 2023 in southern US, including Texas and Louisiana, has been made 5 times more likely due to humans-induced climate change. According to one analysis, temperatures reached more than 119 Fahrenheit or 48 Celsius, and by mid-July 2023, some 110 million Americans were under heat warning. The energy grid in Texas struggled under the strain of surging air conditioning use. A similar picture has been unfolding in 2024, with heat domes bringing dangerous temperatures to Mexico and many parts of the US. According to World Weather Observations Group, the heat waves to hit California, Nevada, Arizona, and Mexico in May and early June 2024 were made 35 times more likely due to climate change. How do you stay cool in a heat wave? It is crucial to stay cool in heat weather as it can have serious effect on your health. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to find relief when the temperatures climb to uncomfortable level. Keeping out sun between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., usually the hottest part of the day, either by staying indoor or in a shady area, is an obvious step. It is also important to drink plenty of liquid, including hot and cold drinks, unless it is very humid, in which case hot drinks aren't the best idea, but it is to avoid drinking lots of alcohol, although a beer or too many still help to hydrate you. Eating food with high water content such as strawberries, cucumbers, and watermelon can also help you to stay hydrated. Spicy and hot foods have also been shown to help you stay cool by making us sweat more. While the evidence on the color of clothing is mixed, there appears to be little difference between wearing light or dark clothing, as a study tribes in the 1980s revealed wearing loose-fitting clothes can help by allowing air to circulate next to your body. Materials can matter too. Cotton and polyester absorb and reflect the majority of the infrared that hits them, nearly 99%, meaning they often appear white in infrared image. But these materials also allow 30 to 40% of visible light through. This combination can cause the body to warm up faster than it otherwise would, according to researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. But sweating also play a role. Cotton absorbs moisture and doesn't dry quickly, which can be uncomfortable. Nylon has higher moisture absorption and better wicking capabilities than polyester, but is slower to dry. But newer innovations fabric may offer a more comfortable solution. Find out more in this future. You should also think twice before you open all the windows of your house to keep cool. If the temperature is higher outside than inside, you might lose a possible cool haven. Close the curtain in rooms where they face the sun instead. If you are lucky enough to live in an area with plenty of waters and green spaces, you may already be benefiting from the cooling effect they can have on the area around them. To identify where the coldest spots in the cities are, NASA and European Space Agency have been taking images of the land surface temperatures during heat waves. In some cities, pavements and the roofs of buildings are being painted white as way to reflect some of the heat of the sun's radiations.